So tonight I'm going to cook a Halloween tricolor pasta. This is CindyLove. This is CindyLove. So this is CindyLove. This is CindyLove. This is CindyLove. Mga kabayan, this is CindyLove. Tonight is Halloween night. Kaya naman, I'm going to do something very different. Kasi karamihan sa atin nag-makeup. Ako hindi ko na kailangan mag-makeup kasi naka-makeup na ako. Like what I said, I'm going to do really, really different. So tonight, I'm going to cook a Halloween tricolor pasta. So I'm gonna try this, me and my husband, to cook this because it's Halloween night. So we have to do something different. So stay tuned and I will show you. So, ayan, tapos ko nang hiway ng courgette. Chorizo. Onion. And nag-add ako ng meatball favorite ni husband. And for me, I cook different sauce in saucepan because my favorite is seafoods. And the main one, the Halloween tricolor pasta, 500 grams. I'm so excited na lutuin ito. Then ito yung gagamitin ko so spicy, I cannot pronounce this, Indua. So ayan, gagamit ako ng olive oil. Kasi ito yung lagi kong ginagamit pag ako magluluto kasi mas okay siya kaysa sa vegetable oil. So mainit na yung oil, lagyan na natin yung sibuyas. Nag-wash na ako ng pan, so ilalagyan natin yung meatballs. Haluin lang natin para mix yung flavor. So now, ilagay na natin yung chorizo. I-stir lang natin o haluin lang natin. Then, takpan natin. Hayaan natin pakuloyin. Next natin ilalagay yung courgette para yung flavor niya talaga. Then, stir lang. Then, yung pang-last natin, ilagay natin yung spicy indula and tomato pasta sauce. After 15 minutes, so ayan, luto na ang ating sauce for my pasta. So now, I'm going to leave it. So now, magluluto na tayo ng Halloween tricolor pasta. So nalagyan na namin ng salt o asin yung water habang kumukulo kanina. So dahan-dahan lang pag maglalagay kayo ng pasta kasi sobrang init niya. Haluin lang natin yung pasta para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Tapos pakuluan natin ng 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the pasta is cooked and ready to eat. So now, pinapakuluan lang natin yung seafoods for 15 minutes and everything will be ready to serve. I can wait. So now, after 50 minutes, the seafood is cooked and ready to serve as well. So now is everything cooked. This is the Halloween Tricolore pasta. And that is meatball sauce. And that's my seafoods. And that's the garlic bread, and that's our salad. Dinner is ready. Our holiday, not holiday, Halloween dinner celebration. So happy Halloween, mga kabayan. Look at my face. Good makeup. That's my makeup look, Halloween. So hopefully you enjoy my video vlog today. So happy Halloween. Let's eat. I feel so hot. I didn't know that sauce is so spicy. Look, so yum. Finished now. That's my thumbnail. No thumbnail. It's very nice dinner. Now we are done. So now I'm in bed now. I think I need to go to bed. I'm so tired, and after meal I really need to go to bed. So full and so sleepy. So hopefully you enjoy watching my video blog today, and if you do like my video, please do the thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy Halloween, mga kabayan. Good night.